Hi, this is a two-step trigonometry problem. So it says find the value of x correct to three significant figures. What we've got here is two right-angled triangles joined together. So we've got to use the first one to find a missing length and then use that to find x. So split the diagram into two right-angled triangles. We're going to first of all draw this one out. And if we now label that, this is the hypotenuse, this is the adjacent, it's next to this angle, and then this one is the opposite because it's opposite the angle. This is the one that we need to calculate because it's the same as this length here. Then using SOHCAHTOA, because we've got hypotenuse, we want opposite and angle, we're going to use sine. Write down the ratio. Sine of the angle is opposite over hypotenuse. Therefore, sine of 66 is going to be opposite divided by 5.4. Therefore, the opposite will be 5.4 sine 66. Now, we don't actually have to work this out, and it's also preferable not to. Therefore, we won't incur a rounding error. Right, now we're going to use this triangle, now that we know this length, to find x. So drawing that triangle out, writing down the length here, 5.4 sine 66. This is the hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent. So writing out SOHCAHTOA. We've got adjacent, we want to find hypotenuse, and got an angle, so we're going to use cos. So cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos of 15 will be 5.4 sine 66 divided by x. To rearrange that, that will be that x will be equal to 5.4 sine 66 divided by cos of 15. And now making sure you use the fraction button on your calculator. You got that gives you 5.107. which to three significant figures gives you 5.11 centimeters. So this has been a two-step trigonometry problem in order to find a length. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.